Want LinkedIn to notify you the moment your dream job opens up? In this video, I'll show you how to activate job alerts so you never miss a posting. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Now you want to click on this Me drop down. Here select settings and privacy. From the left hand side panel, select the option of data privacy. Now scroll down a bit and find the option of signal your interest to recruiters at company you've created job alerts for. Make sure you toggle on the option of signal interest to recruiters. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now you want to click on jobs. Here in the search fields, enter your desired job title, then enter your location, then hit search to load results. Above the results, toggle the option of job alert from off to on. LinkedIn will display a confirmation banner saying job alert created, and you'll start receiving notifications. And in this way, LinkedIn will now send you email and in-app notifications for new jobs matching your criteria. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.